Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Do you have a Toyota Sequoia? This is a second generation here. It's got this loose window. And this is happening because this Toyota Sequoia is notorious for having this latch need to be worked on. To work on this latch, you have to get into this back part right here and remove this. And when this is removed, it's really easy to put it back in incorrectly, and then this window rattles. So that's where our problem stems from. We either had somebody working on the back of this and they didn't put it back correctly. I'll show you how to fix it, it's not that hard. Or for some reason, this piece, this backing piece right here is not where it's supposed to be. I'll show you how to fix it today. It's not too bad. Now this window is loose like this, so I'm gonna show you what went wrong and maybe if you're having the same problem, how to fix it. So let's take a look. Let's roll our window all the way down. And here's the problem. This backing piece right here, this is supposed to be, so this piece my finger's touching, this is supposed to be touching the window. Here's our window all loose in here, but this part is part of the door, so this is actually gonna stay put, but this gap is way too big. So the problem is this plastic piece right here that I'm moving, this is supposed to come up and over this metal piece here. So this is, for all intent and purposes, supposed to be kind of another 1/4 inch over. So what's the problem here? The problem is to get to this back door, you have to take this whole panel off. It's actually a lot easier than you might think. And when the person did it and they put it back on, they did not clip it in here correctly. This piece, it all kind of sits over the lip and kind of like clips in like this. And then the rest of these are just clips that you push in. But when they did it, they didn't clip it in correctly in the right spot. And that's why this piece is kind of loose, and that's why my window is loose. And you don't want to drive around with a window like this. Eventually it'll break. So let's take a look. Okay, here's the first thing you're gonna have to do is take this piece off right here. And I just used a paint can opener, screwdriver, something like that. And then you're gonna have to remove this piece right here. Once you do that, and again, this piece is just a lip that is not in there correctly, but we need to take this piece off and redo it. So all of the rest of this backing piece here is just clips. I pulled one down a little bit so you can see. So this white clip right here just goes into that little hole, that's it. So all we're gonna do is just go systematically and pull this down, unclip it. Okay, so this lip right here, we need that to hook in over this. So it's gonna clamp onto it like that. The way it was before, it was hitting it like this, and it's creating too big a gap here. So we need to hook it, and then once it's hooked on there, then we're gonna keep some pressure on it, and then we're gonna push back in all these clips. We'll put it up here. By the way, I'm doing this one-handed filming at the same time, so you can do this, it's not that hard. So we've got it here, holding all the way against that, clipped in, and now we'll come in here, find these holes where these pieces go, and we'll clip them in there. There we go, there's one right there. Okay, we'll come back in and just put all those back in across. Is these pieces here. Let's see, where did that go? This one right here. So what I should have done is taken these off. And again, these are just 2 clips right here. You can see the holes. So all you're gonna do is grab right here and pop it off this way. So I should have done that first, but nothing catastrophic, nothing broke, just gotta put it back together. So to put it back together, right, I gotta kind of clip this one in here, and then these pieces will go into those holes. Right, snaps back in like that. So now we'll just do the same thing here. And again, these 2 clips will go right into those holes. Screwdriver, put this piece back in. And actually, it wasn't a pop straight on, it was more of like a push and then push up. So to get it off, you can use a screwdriver here, but also be pushing down this direction. All right, the moment of truth. Let's lower it down. Let's take a look. Totally got rid of the rattle. So that fixed it for sure. And if you look, see this gap here? Look, there's almost no gap. The window's gonna slide up and down in between that little hole. So that's a good indication, by the way. If you have this big gap here, like we had in the beginning, this piece right here is not clipped in correctly. You just need to basically take it apart, clip it on there correctly, put it back together, no cost, 15 minutes maybe at the most. No more wobble. The wife will be happy. Hey friends, if today's video helped out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.